Hey guys, my name is Anuradha. Welcome to our channel GK Guidance and Knowledge. Happy morning to all of you. Today we are going to discuss about suicide. Rising suicide in India. There are 15 Indians who die within an hour in India. I personally say and feel that never commit suicide. It's a humble request to all of my family members. Let's begin with the question. Suicide are a result of not just psychological or emotional factors but social factors as well. We have to comment on it. It means we need to provide definition of suicide. You can provide NCRB definition or WHO definition, or you can start with the article 21. Then psychological, emotional and social factors. Finally, measures what are we need to take for the prevention of suicide, and our comment added in that, and finally conclusion. Significance of this question. I personally said that this question is not just limited to GS paper 1 because it can be asked in GS paper 2, GS paper 4, is essay paper, and in interview also, because some questions are also asked from suicide cases in interviews. So it can be asked in GS paper 1 under the heading of population and associated issues. Our introduction would be suicide is defined as death caused by self-directed injurious behavior with intent to die as a result of the behavior, said by WHO, World Health Organization. Suicides are one of the major causes of death in India according to National Crime Record Bureau NCRB 2019 report. On an average 381 suicide per day and more than 2.96 lakh farmers commit suicide between 1991 to 2015. It means on an average 50 deaths per hour, and now create pandemic. This situation even more worst because people commit suicide due to discrimination, social stigma, unemployment, financial burden and misconception and shortage of vaccine. Then reason behind suicide, psychological factors which are mental stress, anxiety, loneliness, jealous feeling, failure in any field like in exam, in job, in family, alcoholism, helplessness, detachment feeling from society, then weakening of social fabric like farmers, students, actors, even businessmen. Then emotional factors are sexual abuse, rape, war, chronic pains, illness, depression, humiliation, relationship issues, mostly relationship between the boys and girls of young age. Then feeling burden from others. Then social factors, disability, separation, discrimination on the basis of color, caste, race, gender, religion. Then social stigma, losing friends, social anxiety, retirement, physical medical illness, then family factor, also unemployment which was increased in pandemic, comparison of life with others means standard of living, suicide attempts by women mostly influenced from the issues like domestic violence, freedom and no dignity. Then what are the measures we need to take for the prevention of the suicide? Family support and good communication needed to support them. Then need to spread awareness among the society, NGOs, civil societies and academic support needed. We can add exercises, physical as well as mental, like meditation, yoga in school curriculum. Sorry, it was decriminalization. Need complete decriminalization of the section 309 of IPC, Indian Penal Code, which gives punishment to the person who attempt suicide. Instead of it, need to provide counseling. To follow the 210th report of Law Commission which says psychological treatment instead of jail. They need to provide motivation by the activists in surrounding areas to promote people and remove their stigmas. They need to focus on government's initiatives. Then promote 5 lifelines of the WHO, World Health Organization, and also need to spread awareness about the World Suicide Day to prevent suicidal tendency in the country, in the society. which celebrated on 10th of September. The need to promote Mental Health Care Act, which was introduced in 2017. Then Manodarpan initiative, which says psychological support to the students, student, teacher, and even parents. Then Kiran, it was 24/7 toll-free helpline to provide support to the people to prevent suicide. Our conclusion would be, with the above mentioned steps, government need to uphold Article 21, spread awareness and harmony in the society, because suicide of one person is not only limited to him, but it impacted his family, friends, and also loss of human capital, which leads to impact on economy. So you can provide your suggestion, your thought on this topic in comment section, because it was a very important topic for us. Let's discuss some data about it. Additional information, you can use this in your answer writing. A cry for help. These are causes, how they die, and these are cases. Self-poisoning, 2,741. Then hanging, 2,378. Then lying under vehicles, which was 502. Drowning, 358. Self-immolation, 125. 46 persons ended their lives by jumping off a building. 27 people ended their lives by consuming sleeping pills. Then 13 died of suicide by version. One person shot himself with firearm. Then 6,465 suicide cases in Andhra Pradesh in 2019. 5,319 suicides in the state 2018. Then 21% rise in suicides from 2018 to 2019. Source of this data is National Crime Record Bureau 2019 data. It shows Andhra Pradesh accounted for 5% of the total deaths by suicide in India. Then these are some risk factors for suicide. History of substance abuse, physical disability or illness, then losing a friend or a family member to suicide, then ongoing exposure to bullying behavior, which mostly seen in ragging in big colleges, mental health conditions, history of mental health condition, then the recent death of a family member or a close friend, then access to a harmful means, then also relationship problems, previous suicide attempts. These are some risk factors. You can also include them in your answer writing. Then proactive factors, connections to others, non-parental adults, then social safety, then closeness to caring friends, then overall resilience, neighborhood safety, and awareness of and access to local health services, and academic achievements, and parent connectedness. These are some proactive factors. You can also use them in your answer, and you can use these kind of diagrams in your answer, which will help you to enhance more marks, to grab more marks. So this is it for today. Thank you for listening. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Also provide your suggestions to improve. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.